Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Maniology haul to share with you. It will include September's Mani by Me box because I always get mine so late. By the time I get it, the new box is released. So October's box is already released, so I'm going to share September's box in this haul. This is from a couple different orders. Two stickers I got were Cool Nails Ahead. These are free with your purchase. And Sunny's On, or Hair Up, Sunny's On, Nails On Point. Those are really big stickers. Well, I had to purchase some of their new Halloween releases. Plus they did send me some of those too. First, I'm going to share the plates that are not Halloween releases. And I made sure that I've used all these plates before you see them so I can share nail art. This plate is Maniology 525. And it has tentacles, octopus on the plate. I love the sea life. I love any of the tentacle-y creatures. If you see some of my nail art, squids, octopus, jellyfish, all about it. Sea turtles, love, love, love. Love the sea life, so I had to have this plate. Really awesome manicure I done using that as well. I actually used the full octopus here and stretched it over 3 nails. This plate is like a dream come true. I absolutely love it. It's Maniology 283. And it's the Forever Friends plate, and this is the Lisa Frank inspired plate. Absolutely stunning. I am in love with the manicure that I done using this plate. Very, very Lisa Frank-esque, 90s nostalgia all the way. Absolutely love this. I was a 90s kid, born in 87, so I am very, very nostalgic for anything 90s, and this just hit the spot. Amazing. Next up, I have new Halloween releases, and I got their limited edition Stamper mini scraper cards. I haven't even opened this. I've had it for a while. I can't wait to share this stuff so I can start using it. That one, you get 4 in here for like $3. That one. And this cute one. I got last year's set too, and these are fun and adds, especially when you're filming tutorials and stuff, it just adds to the aesthetic of whatever you're filming for that season, and these are super duper cute and affordable. I have not opened this either, but this is the limited edition Halloween Ice Cube Stamper. Super duper cute, and mostly I got this because it's purple. Purple and green are my favorite colors. So the scraper that comes with this one looks like that. And the stamper looks like this. And it's just their ice cube stamper. Very, very cute. So I love all the ice cube stampers. They are fantastic. The scrapers are awesome. Their plates are always awesome. And the last plate that I ordered in the new Halloween stuff is the pumpkin patch one. Oh, and if you like my nails, most likely this tutorial is already out. It will be linked in the description box below and possibly in the cards. If you're curious about my nails, I always have that in the description box, what I'm wearing, and if there's a tutorial, it is linked there under what's on my nails. I did like this fall Sunset Scarecrow Mani. This plate is Maniology 520. As layering pumpkins. I've done a really cute teal and white glittery manicure using this. I love all the layering aspects of this, the pumpkin faces, the pumpkins that you can do that don't have faces. This is such a cute plate for Halloween and fall. Okay, next up is the Mani by Me box, and it comes in the same box, but look at the tissue paper. I've already cracked this open, but oh my, I've already done a manicure with this as well. So the tissue paper is so adorable. So the sticker I got with mine is the one I was hoping for. I love the little bat, and the bat is the one that I got. The insert cards here. This is a Death Disco, I believe is the name of this box. You get some other little details about the box and the polishes, and here is an inspiration for a mani. Ghoul Get Down. It has steps on there to follow to achieve the manicure that they are sharing here. That's always fun and nice. As always, you get 2 plates, 2 polishes, and a free gift. This is the complete box. If you get the express kit, you don't get the polishes. You'll get the plates and the free gift. And of course you'll get your insert cards and you'll get a sticker. The polishes for this box are both stamping polishes this time. Here's what they look like. So you get this creamy like custard polish here. And then this very bright neon polish. This one is called Boogie Nights. And then this one is Funk Master. It's bright neon, beautiful goodness. Performs well on both white and black. The first plate is Maniology MXM 135. And you get quite a few individual designs. Some spooky, creepy, cute kind of stuff. Perfect for the Halloween, spooky months. You get some backgrounds. You can do so much with these plates. And the next plate I have not used. So many cute images. Maniology MXM 136. And lots of cute individual designs, and then lots of full nail designs on this one. Such cute stuff on the plates. I love the creepy cute kind of stuff. The free gift for this box is a sticky stamper station, a mini version, and it looks like this. It's super duper cute. I love the little pumpkins. And so you can plan a manicure out on this, write what you used, write your idea on there, and I don't know exactly how many sheets you get in here, but there's quite a few. So when you peel that off, and there's a sticky layer underneath, and you can clean your stamper head on the sticky layer. That was the free gift. I love when we get this kind of stuff. I use that stuff all the time. So that's everything for this Maniology haul. I hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed the manicures. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Maniology links. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and thank you so much for watching.